Good morning! This is our view for today. Very relaxing, very calm. And ito yung mga cottages, mga beach houses dito, tabi-tabi. Yan. Yung maganda dito kasi kapitbahay mo yung dagat, magsawa ka. Good morning from Ayuyang Dados, San Vicente, Ilocos Sur. Our view for today, since yesterday actually. Yan. Mataas ang alon, maganda ang buhangin. Here at the beachfront. Nag-iinom na naman sila guys ng gin. To you, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to